Hi guys, these are the things you need for college, International School Edition, coming from someone who just finished her first year of college. So I arranged my list according to what I bought, what I brought, what I got thrifted, and what the school gave us. So I'm going to start with what I brought from home because that is your main priority as per the luggage space and the comfortability traveling by air to school. My main priority was foodstuff and ingredients and snacks because in the middle of the night you're going to be craving some home food or some home snacks. And where are you going to get to the US in Richmond? Nowhere. Next up is clothes. I would say you don't necessarily need so much clothes when you're packing because you need more space for more important things, and also you could get clothes here, like that isn't that big of a deal. Or if in your country you have like winter clothes, I'll say get more winter clothes than summer clothes or like fall clothes because that's going to be probably cheaper where you're from. For my black girlies, I would say bring a whole stash of extensions and hair products because you're going to need it, and then you'll be ordering from Amazon, which doesn't make any sense. Okay, last up for what I brought from home, which was important to me, was meds, painkillers, any little meds that you normally take back home and you use consistently. I would say bring them because meds in the US are different from whatever meds you take back home. So these are the things that I bought from like Target, Walmart, Five and Below, all those little stores that you could get things cheap. But you would definitely need all these things. First up, hangers. Is a no-brainer. Then you need sheets, pillows, pillowcases. Mattress topper is I didn't have one. I still don't have one. It wasn't that necessary to me. You would definitely need diffusers if you want your room smelling nice. You need wipes, you need detergents, you need some double-sided tape or some command strips and hooks because you definitely need to hang some things like your towels. If you're bringing picture frames or like room decor stuff, you need that. Also, I'll say bring room decor stuff or like buy some because I bought some from Walmart. An extension cord is important. It's vital. You need a trash can, even though like outside the dorms there are trash cans, but you need one in your room. You need an umbrella, you need a bunch of batteries. If you're the kind of person that likes cooking, likes making snacks in the middle of the night, Tupperware, utensils, that's just necessary. Okay, these are the things I got thrifted. So I have an older sister who graduated, so she had a bunch of stuff that she wasn't using. She gave me her fridge, she gave me her microwave, bunch of storage boxes, which was very necessary at the end. And finally, this is what Earlham gives to you as an international student. First off, they give you a laundry bag. They give you a bottle. It's like this really big bottle. Another thing that Earlham does is we have like a spa day where you get like body care, like shea butter, you get scented oils, and you get lots of things, and that's all for free. Obviously, this list depends on whatever you deem important, but I'll say most of the stuff were very important to me. You need school stuff like pens, laptops, books, but I shouldn't be telling you that. You should know you should get it. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment and you'll get a response, or you can send a message to your international advisor asking you questions. Thank you. Bye.